Subscribe to Mind Body Soul and click on the bell icon for more updates.
Navratri is here and so is traditional fasting. Did you know that fasting is actually the best way for us to clean our bodies naturally without the use of any expensive detox teas or detox juices? But only if done the right way. Let's find out today. Also, at the end of this video, I'm going to share with you my healthy diet plan for healthy fasting during Navratri. So stay tuned till the end. Since ancient times, this festival is celebrated where goddess Durga is worshipped in her 9 forms during the 9 days of Navratri. Many of us even turn vegetarian and fast during these days. Also, if we notice, both the Navratris actually come during the time of season change, where our immunities are already low and our digestive system is weakened. So fasting actually helps us pass this phase with ease. Now the reason that these fasts are beneficial to us is because fasting actually unburdens our body and its systems. It also allows us to heal, repair and refurbish from within. In most cultures, fasting is promoted multiple times during a year, only to help our body actually detoxify itself naturally. But do you know that this will only work if it's done the right way? What I've observed is that most people in the name of a fast tend to eat all unhealthy, extra sweet and fried oily foods. What we must understand is that these foods only burden an already weakened digestive system, leading to uneasiness, gas, bloating, acidity, and eventual weight gain. Did you know that the 3 major cycles that our body works in is cleaning, repair, and digestion? So when we fast, we should actually fast in such a way that we're giving our digestion a break, so that all our life force can get diverted towards cleaning, repair and eventual detoxification. So what I've done is, I've prepared you a meal plan. This will help you clean your body and also reduce a few extra kilos along the way. Because as we believe, weight loss is a byproduct of the repair of our bodies. What I've done is, I've added these small frequent meals. These will help us remain fueled and satiated during the day. They will also prevent overeating and hunger pangs during our larger meals, because what we're doing is we're keeping our body fueled throughout the day by eating mid-meals or snacks. So let's get started. So we're going to begin our morning with a glass of lukewarm water with a little lemon added to it. What this does is that this awakens our digestive system gently and also helps the body clean itself. Breakfast is predominantly going to be fruits. The best way to eat fruits is mono fruits, which means a single type of fruit. But if that gets too boring for you, we can also mix it up and make it into a platter. We're then going to have a nice glass of some coconut water with the malai, which is the meat of the coconut. This will ensure that we remain satiated and hydrated until lunch. Lunch is going to be roti sabzi, very basic. But roti is going to be made out of a flour which is allowed during fasting. These can be kuttu, which is buckwheat, amaranth, which is rajgira, and also singhara, which is water chestnut. Our next meal in the afternoon is going to be a tall glass of chas or buttermilk. For all of us who like our tea and coffee, you can also replace buttermilk with tea coffee. Along with this, we're going to have a nice bowl of makhana. Now why makhanas? Because makhanas are low in calories, they promote healthy weight loss, they're high in calcium and they also keep constipation away. Our mid-evening snack is going to be a nice feast of some dried fruit or nuts. This can be your almonds, walnuts, cashews, dates, figs and the like. A little tip from me here though would be to always ensure that you're soaking your nuts and dried fruits. What this does is, this makes it a little more alive, which means that now it's water rich or water dense, making it easier to digest and keeping the bloating away. For dinner, I'm going to give you my 2 top picks. Number 1 is a sweet potato and fruit chaat. What we can do is that we can add imli or tamarind homemade chutney to this. And number 2, we're going to eat a sama pulao. Sama is barnyard millet. And lastly, we're going to end our day with a nice cup of a warm beverage, which we're going to make with some homemade almond or coconut milk added with haldi, which is turmeric, black pepper, along with some jaifal, which is also called nutmeg, and this will promote a nice restful sleep. So there you have it. This was my 9-day healthy fasting Navratri diet plan that I've made for all of you specially. This will help you clean your body and actually help you drop those few extra kilos that you're struggling with. I do hope that you found this helpful and useful. So until next time, stay healthy, stay happy, and stay tuned to your very own The Health Space.